And welcome back to the Spirited Shop. I am the Spirited Maker, and today we're going to do a little laser test. We're going to cut this little sword I created in laser gerbil. No, not laser gerbil. LIGHTBurn. I do use laser gerbil though. Both have their uses. We're going to cut them out of these popsicle sticks. See how well it does with this new slightly more powerful 5-watt laser. So this is my Bob CNC I converted. I can still use the router if I want, but I stuck a laser on the end. So let's see how well it does. We're going to fire it up. Alright, let's see how well that did. Oh, there we go. That's the popsicle stick. And that's the sword I laser cut out. Seems to do really well. So, I like being able to cut stuff with a laser. It is cool. I have tried both LIGHTBurn and laser gerbil. Like I said, both have their place, and I think I might do a comparison video on them next and show you what I like about each one. There are things I like about both, and there are things I don't like about both. So let's do a comparison video next, and I'll let you know. But so far, definitely like the laser. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. As always, friends, God bless, and I'll see you next time.